In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of buying Bitcoin using the PayPal mobile app. I'll be showing everything step by step so you can follow along on your own phone without any confusion. When you open the PayPal app, you'll land on the main home screen, where you can see your balance and recent activity. Now, there are two simple ways to access the crypto section. If you see a crypto shortcut at the top of your homepage, you can tap it directly. But if that shortcut is invisible for you, don't worry, there's another guaranteed method. Just tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down until you find the option called Finances or Manage Finances, and under that, you'll see the crypto section. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring you to PayPal's main crypto dashboard, where you can buy, sell, or check your current holdings. If you already own some crypto, you'll see it displayed here. As you scroll down, PayPal will show you all the available coins you can purchase, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. If Bitcoin isn't showing at the top, just look for it under the Explore or Available section. Tap on Bitcoin to open its dedicated page. Here, you'll see a price chart, market movement, and your current Bitcoin balance if you already own any. Below that, there are options to send, receive, or sell. But since we're buying today, tap on the Buy button at the bottom of the screen. PayPal lets you purchase Bitcoin starting from as little as $1, which makes it easy for beginners. Type in the amount you want to invest, for example, $1, and then hit Next. PayPal will now ask you to choose your payment method. If you have enough money in your PayPal balance, you can select that right away. Otherwise, you can use a saved debit card, bank account, or even add a new one from this same screen. After choosing your payment method, PayPal will show a final review page. Here you'll see the exact amount of Bitcoin you're getting, along with the small transaction fee PayPal charges. For small purchases, the fee might only be a few cents. Once everything looks good, tap Buy Now. And that's it, your Bitcoin purchase is complete. It will instantly show up in your crypto balance inside the app, and you can track its value, buy more later, or sell it whenever you want.